Today, we explore the integration of artificial intelligence with Power BI, transforming data analysis and decision-making. This integration goes beyond visuals, harnessing AI's power for deeper insights. AI in Power BI predicts trends, detects anomalies, and provides comprehensive data insights, elevating decision-making. Azure Cognitive Services is central to this, bringing advanced machine learning into your data analysis workflows. You don't need to be a data scientist. Power BI simplifies complex analytics for everyone. AI can analyze sales data and forecast future trends with remarkable accuracy. By identifying patterns in historical data, we predict future sales, allowing proactive adjustments to inventory, staffing, and marketing. Forecasting uses time series algorithms for precise projections, extending insights far into the future. This detailed analysis allows businesses to tailor planning processes, making them more precise and effective. Next, let's explore anomaly detection, crucial for understanding customer satisfaction and product usage. Power BI's anomaly detection algorithms automatically highlight significant deviations, a task once manual. This feature quickly identifies customers with issues or products with unusual usage patterns. We can then drill down to uncover root causes and take corrective actions, improving customer experience. Power BI democratizes data access with its natural language query feature, eliminating complex DAX formulas. Anyone can ask questions in plain English, and a table instantly appears with the requested information. This natural language processing means team members can access data without technical experts. AI's capabilities extend beyond numbers, excelling in analyzing text data to foster data-driven decision-making. Power BI, using Azure Cognitive Services, extracts key phrases, assesses sentiment, and detects language in customer reviews. Sentiment analysis results are displayed, allowing quick identification of satisfaction or dissatisfaction, guiding strategies. Extracting key phrases helps us understand discussion topics, enabling proactive responses to feedback. Don't forget image analysis. AI can identify objects, classify images, and extract relevant information from product images. This is instrumental for inventory management, quality control, and marketing analysis, optimizing operations based on visual data. Power BI's built-in AI visuals, like key influencers, automatically identify factors influencing outcomes. By dragging and dropping fields, we quickly visualize key drivers behind metrics, gaining immediate clarity. The Power Query Editor allows custom functions to automate text analytics and image recognition tasks. This seamlessly integrates these tasks into your data transformation workflows, streamlining the entire process. Integrating AI with Power BI empowers you to gain deeper insights, make smarter decisions, and automate analyses. We can identify trends, anomalies, and patterns challenging to detect manually and anticipate future trends through forecasting. Natural language capabilities allow anyone to ask questions and receive answers, breaking down data access barriers. Analyzing unstructured data like text and images provides a comprehensive view of your business landscape. AI is a practical tool available now to unlock your data's full potential. Harnessing AI within Power BI gives you a significant competitive edge. Utilize these powerful tools to achieve your business goals and drive success together.